Gotcha. All right, now we're going auto.
All right, yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. We're in Uber's self-driving car. This is their pilot that they're starting in Pittsburgh. This is how the Uber car sees. It works with LiDAR, radar, and a suite of sensors to be able to detect objects, traffic light changes. Once you're in the Uber, it'll tell you if self-driving mode is on or not, and you hail it the same way you normally would. That's it. Let's give it a shot. It is really strange not being in control at all. It's pretty awesome. Oh, okay, we have a hill coming up and a traffic light. So let's see how it does. Okay, it's accelerating up the hill. Knows its stuff. It's a green light right now. Oh, it's turning yellow. And it came to a full stop. That's actually something Tesla's autopilot cannot do. It cannot read red traffic lights. I think it's gonna feel really weird when this light turns green and seeing it kick back into motion again. Okay, it's green, and that is just spooky. Look at that, it's so interesting seeing the wheel move on its own. And you know, in Pittsburgh, these streets are a little narrow. There's definitely a lot going on. Oop. So it went off there. Not really sure why. It warns you, it gives you a little ding, but that just shows that's why you still need a driver in these cars. I mean, you can sense it really knows what it's doing. It reminds me of driver's ed a lot, you know, I mean, it definitely follows the real rules of the road. This is not a human driving experience, which is good. We don't really drive well, and the stats prove that.